Sofia packed pastries for her mother's journey, but suddenly her mother shouted.
Oh no! That nasty bird again! It's ruining my plants! Shoo! Fly away!
My dear, I've kept some rice out in the sun to dry. Keep an eye on them so the birds don't eat them.
Don't worry, Mother. I'll take care of it.
After her mother left, Sofia noticed a small bird nearby.
Sweetly, eat as much as you like. You must be hungry. Eat as much as you like.
Thank you, kind-hearted Sofia. Tomorrow, come to my house for a feast.
Delay. Walk 5 kilometers west through the forest, and you'll see an old cedar tree.
Happily with a wooden house on top. I'll be waiting for you there. The bird chirped happily. I'll be waiting for you there.
The next day,
I'm going to visit my friend today. I hope she likes this gift I brought.
after walking for a while, she spotted the old cedar tree.
I think this must be my friend's house. Sweet bird, are you home? Sofia called. Sofia, which staircase will you climb? The golden one, the silver one, or the wooden one? My dear friend, the wooden staircase will be just fine. And what will you eat in, Sofia? Golden dishes, silver dishes, or clay ones? Please don't trouble yourself. Clay dishes are perfectly fine for me.
The bird was touched. She served Sofia delicious food and handed her a beautiful gift.
Yummy. Thank you. Thank you, sweet bird, for your wonderful hospitality and this lovely present.
Where have you been, my dear? Who gave you that gift?
My bird friend did. My bird friend did.
Jewels! Gold dishes! A dress covered in diamonds!
Sofia's jealous cousin, Clara, overheard everything.
How did Sofia get all this? I thought Bird 2 and even better gifts.
The next day, Clara saw the same bird eating rice.
Whoa! Thief! Stealing my rice again, huh? Well, if you want food, you'd better bring me something in return. Come to my house tomorrow evening.
The next evening, Clara walked through the forest.
How much farther do I have to go?
I'm exhausted.
Welcome, Clara. Which staircase will you climb? Golden, silver, or wooden? I'll climb the golden staircase, of course.
And which dishes will you eat in? Gold, silver, or clay?
I'll only eat from gold ones.
What is this?
I'll be leaving now. I have to show Sophia what I got.
But when she opened her gift at home, black smoke and ashes flew out.
That bird tricked me!
Don't be upset, Clara. But it's true. Greed is a terrible curse.